Hello from Stumbles and Fumbles. So recently, making some duck calls, as you can see here, Fumbles had, like every wife, likes to go to the Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, that, and she picked up some of these bamboo cutting boards. I'm assuming for like $1 or something like that. Anyway, I took a couple of them, cut them down into smaller pieces, and I don't know if you can see on here, used them as a centerpiece of wood in here. And after I laid them, they had some really cool grain to them, I guess you'd call it. I don't know if it shows up real well on there or not, but I'll try and add a picture so you can see them better. But anyway, I had an idea. I don't know if it'll work out or not, but I cut a bunch of them up into basically 2x2 pieces, a little different, just kind of winging it. Glued them together, letting them set 24 hours, and then it's about 3¼ inches in total length. So I'm going to try and turn a duck call out of this just to see what it looks like. And it may blow apart and not be worth anything, but I think it'd be pretty cool if it does. So stick around, and we'll see how it goes. So there you have it, from a stack of cut off pieces from a bamboo cutting boards from a dollar store to glued together and then lathed duck call using Echo call inserts now. But if you look at this, I think this, I don't know if you call it a grain pattern or what, when you're using bamboo, but I think it left a real nice pattern. So I hope this, somebody has as much fun and using it in a duck blind this year as I did making it. And if I didn't say it, I'm using Echo Calls inserts now. And these are double reeds. Really liking the sound of them. And that's it for now. So until next time, from Stumbles and Fumbles, we'll see you on the trail. And as always, if I'm doing something wrong when I'm making these, please let me know, because that's the only way I learn. See you next time.